Hey there, you are scrolling through Facebook, right? And the way you see an ad for that exact thing you were just thinking about yesterday. Is it magic? Or does your phone actually know you? No, bro, it's not magic. That's, my friends, is the incredible power of Facebook ads. If you are looking to dive into digital marketing, grow your business, or simply understand how multi-million dollar is campaign create these mind reading ads, then this video is for you. Today we will run about Facebook ad. So let's stop talking and start learning. Now we are learning what is Facebook ads. In simple terms, Facebook ads is a paid advertising platform that helps business deliver targeted audience meant to their specific customers. It's not just on Facebook. These ads are also shown across like Instagram, Messenger, and even partner apps within Facebook's audience network. Many people think that boosting a post is what Facebook ad is all about. No, boosting a post is just a small part. Facebook Ads Manager is a complex strategic system. Whatever your objective is to increase website visitor, generate leads, more sales, more information, customer information, or drive direct sales. Facebook ads is designed to help you achieve that goal. Now we are learning why Facebook ads are so powerful. So, why is Facebook ads such a big deal for business? Well, the reasons are very clear. First up is targeting power. First up is targeting power. This is a targeting power. Facebook know exactly what is user like, where they live, and even what their job are. This means you can show you and to precisely the right person who actually needs your product or service. This is incredibly more effective than traditional advertising. Next, we have massive audience research. With billions of active users every single month across both Facebook and Instagram, you have an unprivileged opportunity to put your message in front of a huge potential customer base. There is simple no bigger platform to reach people. And finally, huge benefit is ROI, return to investment. You can actually start with a very simple budget, which is great for new business. But most importantly, you can track every single dollar you spend. You will know exactly which ads are performing well, bring and sales or lead, and which ones you need to turn off to save money and optimize your campaign. Now we are knowing what now we are knowing about Facebook ads or boost posts versus boost posts. Right. Which one we are selected? First of all, boost post is Facebook is easy button offering a little extra reach for your existing post. It's quick and convenient, but you have very limited control over targeting and objectives. On the other hand, Facebook Ads Manager is a professional control center that allows you to finally turn every aspect of your advertising. Ads Manager allows to you set a specific business objective like website like sales or leads, website, anything, apps, anything, etc. Which is not possible in Facebook post, right? Here you can you can specifically target your ideal customers like website visitors, sales campaign visitors, Facebook page engagement, then apps, Facebook ads engagement, website visitor who add to cart. All information we are seeing in Facebook Ads Manager, but it's not possible with Boost Post, right? Ads Manager helps you deeply analyze your ad performance and tracking your role. With Boost Post, you only get basic data, but Ads Manager provides the detailed information like Facebook, how many dollar spent your ad, how many people engaged your ad, how many people seeing your ad, right? With Boost Post, you only get basic data. Ads Manager provides all detailed information necessary for optimization. Now you have created one question which one we are selected. My recommendation, if your goal is just a little promotion for a general post, you can use Boost Post. However, if you want business growth, lot of sale, lot of engage or leads, then Facebook Ads Manager is one of the only way. So my recommendation is stop using Boost Post and focus on learning Ads Manager to achieve real result. So if all this sounds powerful but prefers a little overwhelming, don't worry. You don't have to do it alone. I specialize in helping business like you leverage the full power Facebook ads. For your business rapid and consistent growth, I provide a complete funnel based solution along with a comprehensive range of services. This included first one, strategy and funnel setup, designing a complete sales funnel called Arm Hot Audience for your business and creating campaign strategic according. Second one, Facebook Ads Manager. I am properly confusing your entire ad account from search. Third, target audience research. I specifically identify your ideal customers and creating a specific audience for each funnel stage. Fourth, sales and funnel campaign. Driving actual sales and traffic directly to your website. 5. Ad copy and creative development. Writing complaining ads that grab attention and were stable for each stage of the funnel. 6. Retargeting audience create. Building powerful hot audience to and custom audience to bring back interested visitor and close the deal. Pixel setup and conversion API. Ensuring accurate tracking and data for optimal results. Right. If you need a professional to manage your Facebook ads, someone who will ensure you get the best possible return on your investment, not just click, but by building a complete sales funnel, then I am here to help. Please don't help. Let's Work together to achieve your business goal with precision and profit. See you in the next video. Tata.